Okay, people are going to Sun City to enjoy themselves. Obviously, Umpilo invited Umpumelelo's baby mamas that she knows of, which is Uvuyogazi and Utirelo. But I'm just like, in all of this, Upunosipho guys, ugatuleka kangaka. Hayi bo. Phela, or maybe because she's not a cast member. Because remember, guys, like even like I heard and like I know a lot of us were like, Uvuyokazi, like, why is she even going to eat trip whereas she's no longer, or she said we are Puma if Umpumelelo is not making her or giving her what she wants, which is to be Umamkulu. But guys, like, in as much as that is a show that it's their lives, people are at work. So Uvuyokazi, when she's at that show, usemsebenzini, she's at work. So some of the things you are forced, and let me not say forced it as per se, but forced in a sense to show up to some certain things because it's not just their lives, guys. It's not just them showing us our lives. They have signed contracts and they are getting paid for showing their faces and showing their lives. So part of the reason, so maybe what I'm trying to say is that maybe we should not judge Uvuyokazi so much for even going on that trip because each job, guys. And I've said this that even if Uvuyokazi is no longer with Umpumelelo, if she has the opportunity to still come back on the show next season, she should do that because it's all about the money, you guys. She's got 2 kids now, and that's the first thing she should be putting in the forefront. But anyway, or maybe it could also be a soft launch to her getting back with Umpumelelo Asazi, you guys. We really don't know. But I'm just like, the way Ulokuzana, Umatsele has been so quiet, even on the socials, she's been so quiet. All I'm seeing on the socials is Utirelo and Umpumelelo. Tirelo and Umpumelelo are living their lives, you guys. There's even this one day where Umpumelelo did a live and he was driving while doing a live. And then Uturelo comes on the live and she comments and she's like, I don't understand. Like, why are you driving? Why are you on the live while driving? Why are you on your phone while driving? And then he was like, no, mama, ngizokufonela manje. And then he muted us on the live. And then he called Utirelo. I don't know, maybe to assure her ukuthi don't and whatnot. He called her and that was that. But everywhere on the socials, it's them too. It's them too. Even the last time Tirelo going out with Abomnini, with the siblings, it's just Tirelo and I don't know ukuthi uNosipho ukuthi I angazi guys, or maybe Nosipho is not like, she's not like Tirelo because Tirelo angithi she's got experience now. She knows posting certain things is like her possibility of bringing in an income. The more we do videos like this about her, guys, the more we are making her famous, the more she's put out there, and the greater the possibilities of her making much more money through our brand campaigns. Maybe Unwasipo, she's not that experienced with that. I mean, she's never been, I don't think she's been on TV before or on a reality TV or on a reality show before. Maybe that's the nature of her and Umpumelela's relationship. It's quiet. But guys, like ever since they posted one another that time, like when they came out that time, and then 2 days later after that they posted another picture, or she posted another picture with her and Umpumelela. Since then, nothing. Not like Lucho. I'm just like, I don't think, how I wanted to say, I want to see if Umpumelela is going to bring Unosipo to Sun City. I don't think he can afford to make her travel all that way. If she does appear there, you guys, that means it would have been the show that paid for Unosipo to show up there. But again, I don't think, or I don't know if Unosipo has met up with Tirelo or has met up with Uvuyokazi, so it would kind of be inappropriate to bring her to that type of setup. But I'm just like, guy, man. Besides even the show, guys, even on the socials, Luto. I really just hope with Unosipo's maybe, I don't know, guys. maybe in real life, besides posting, he makes time to call her, makes time to see her. I don't know, but even on the socials, he is much more active with Tirelo than anyone else. So angazi ukuthi maybe is it Tireno's doing that, uTireno uthanda ukuposta, because even uVuyokazi, even when they were in a relationship together, I didn't see that much of them. So maybe it falls on uTirelo, which uTirelo is a type of person that likes posting. But I'm just worried about uNosipho. And I really hope ukuthi maybe she's getting cold feet. I hope she's getting cold feet as Bonelu ukuthi this is going to be her life. Sharing, imagine you've kept yourself all your life, and then even when you're married, you still have to share your husband, share his attention, share the intimacy, share everything. And I don't know for an inexperienced person if that's going to be enough. But tell me, you guys, if you guys are seeing or picking up the same vibes, ukuthi I wathula kangaka nje. Right, like is it fine? Power paradise. Asazi, guys. Tell me what you think. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you on the next one.